Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking at how to treat throat infection and sore throat. The main ingredient you need here is bay leaves. You need to have bay leaves, whether they are dried up or in powdered form, but this is the best way to prepare this remedy. So more benefits will be coming in a minute after you knowing all the benefits of using this bay leaves. Bay leaves are very effective in treating common cold and throat infections. They also have relaxing and calming properties, and they are good at treating insomnia. You know, insomnia is lack of sleep. Yeah, so if you been not sleeping, this is the perfect video for you. They are great at relieving muscular pains and joints. They will help you get rid of nosebleed if you are this kind of person who bleeds at night. Yeah, so and also during pregnancy they can help you prevent childbirth defects by providing adequate quantities of folic acid. Yeah, so please kindly follow the process as I give you the benefits. Okay, yeah, so by drinking this you'll be in position to provide immunity against types of cancer, many types of cancer. So this drink also has powerful phytonutrients which provides protection against cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Okay, yeah, so also they will help you clear breathing passages. If you have difficulties in breathing. Other benefits include making a face mask, sparkling teeth. You can use it as a toner, and also, by the way, all these things, they have ways on how you can prepare them, okay, but not this particular method. This is only to show you how to treat throat infections. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.